Hi friends, in this problem we have 1 square plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 square, again 2 into 4 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 6 square. Basically we have for all even numbers 2 into 2 square, 2 into 4 square, 2 into 6 square like this. And for odd numbers we have 1 square, 3 square, 5 square. Right. Now this series A is the sum of first 20 terms. First 20 times. That means up to 20 square, 2 into 20 square. Right, 20 square will be preceded by 2. Right, 19 will be preceded by 1. Right, 19 square plus 2 into 20 square. So A is up to 20 times and B is up to 40 times. That means 2 into 40 square. Right, now B minus 2A equals 100 lambda. Then what is this? Lambda. Okay, let's take this series and let's try to split this. Let's understand the series in bit more detail and split this series. So, for example, this is this 2 into 2 square, right? Let's write it as 2 square plus 2 square, then 3 square, then 2 into 4 square, let's write it as 4 square plus 4 square, then 5 square, then 6 square plus 6 square, likewise. Right? And let's take 1 square, one of this. There are two squares, two 4 squares, and two 6 squares, two 8 squares, like this, right? Let's take one of them and complete this. Let's take one of them and write the complete series as 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Right, and we'll be left with the second set of 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square. Right, so this series we can rearrange in terms and write it like this. Right, basically the first part is sum of squares of first and natural numbers. This will have whatever terms. Let's say if it is A, this will have 20 terms and this part will have 10 terms only. Right, because if there are total 20 terms, then the even numbers there will be 10 only, right? Those 10 are repeated twice. So even numbers will be 10 only. If this one has got 20 terms, this one will have 10 terms. If this one has 40 terms, this one will have 20 terms. Right? Right. We are just even numbers are repeating. We are just rewriting, rearranging the series. Right. Now this becomes, so for example, the first part let it be like this. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square like this. The second part again we can look at it as 2 square is 2 into 1 whole square, 4 square is 2 into 2 whole square, 6 square is 2 into 3 whole square, likewise. So if we take everywhere, there is 2 square. 2 square into 1 square, 2 square into 2 square, 2 square into 3 square, 2 square into 4 square. If we take 2 square common, we will get it again. This part will become 2 square into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Up to n by 2 terms only. If there are n terms here, there will be n by 2 terms only here. Please notice 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 20. So there are only 10 terms here. There are 20 terms here. Right? So there are n terms here. There will be n by 2 terms here. So what does that mean? What is A? A has got sum of first 20 terms. That means A is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 20 terms plus 4 into which is 2 square into 1 square plus 2 square 3 square up to 10 terms. Up to 10 square only. Right? We know sum of squares of first and natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. That means this part will become 20 into 21 into 41 by 6. This part will become 4 into, these are 10 terms only, 10 into 11 into 21 by 6, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Right, if we simplify this, let's take 20 into 21 by 6 common from both the places. Here also we have 21, here also 4 into 10, that is 2 into 20. Right, that 20 into 21 we can take common, so we will have 2 into 11, 22. So 20 into 21 by 6 into 41 plus 22, which is 63 by 6. Let's keep it like this. A is this. B is, what is B? Sum of first 40 times. That means this part will have 40, this part will have 20. Right, that means B is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to 40 square plus 2 square, which is 4 into 1 square, 2 square up to 20 square. Right, again, 1 square to 40 square, it is 40 into 40 plus 1, 41 into 40 times 2 plus 1, it is 81 by 6. And this is 4 into, there are 20 times, 20 into 21 into 41 by 6. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, sum of squares. Right, guys. Now here also let's take this 40 into 41 by 6 common. Right, here also there are 4 into 20, that is 2 into 40. That 2 into this 21, which is 42. This 41 and 40 we are taking common. 40 into 41 by 6 into 81. 81 plus 42 here. Right, that becomes 81 plus 42, 123. Basically, B is 40 into 41 into 123 by 6. What is B minus 2A? Then this minus this. That is 40 into 41 into 123 by 6 minus 20 into 21 into 63 into 2 because it is 2A by 6. Let's take 40 by 6 common. Right, here also we have 40 by 6, right? 2 into 20 is 40. Then 41 to 123 minus 21 into 63. Right, 41 into 123 is 5043 and 61 into 23, 1323. If you subtract this, we get 3720. 40 by 6 into 3720. This should be equal to 100 lambda, which is the problem. Right? If you cancel both the zeros, this 0 and this 0, then 4 into 372 by 6 is lambda. 6 goes 62 times. Right? 6 into 62 is 372. 660 are 360 plus 12, 372. Then 4 into that 62. Right? 4 into 62 is actually lambda. Lambda is 248. So the answer is 248. Very simple problem. Just that we need to carefully see that this is actually sum of two series. This can be split into two series. Two series, and be careful that the first series will have n terms and second series will have n by 2 times. Right, guys? Thank you.